Move, move. Oh. Okay, wait. Sit down, wait. Oh, wait. Hindi, banda ka. I told to wait. Okay.
Okay. Okay. And you talk to Sweetie.
I'm talking to all of them. Discipline. They
He
need
will not talk anymore.
they need to eat together.
And soon he will have Poppy.
Yeah.
Soon he will have Poppy.
Yeah. Now, City, Snow, Rainbow,
Cold.
and Kali. Kali. Oh,
I want the other one dog.
Kali.
Look here.
The other dog is sleep last because he don't have any. Just wait. Because I don't have extra. This adopted dog kasi. I have adopted dog, guys.
Wait. Daddy, in there, I told this story and then Daddy, in the stone there's copy area. I throw. And then in the stone area I throw there and then because I want to Didi, I want to give to Didi. Say. You think I said it was no?
They are eating. Busy ang aking mga chikiting. Don't do because they're eating. Oh my God, tuktugaok guys. Nag-sharing guys. Buti hindi. At least they did not do fighting. Kasi no, eating. Hello guys, kumusta? Kumusta lahat? Hopefully everything is okay, going good. Guys, tingnan nyo guys, I do arrange our cupboard and then I found out the ano of Sophia when she's born. Nilagay ko dito guys, yung sa pusod niya. So imagine. Nandito pala. At saka yung si grabe talaga guys. Yung before pregnancy test ko kay Sophia. Ang ganda naman until now nandito pa guys. Imagine. 2017 pa to. Nandito pa rin. Pwede ko to i-prank si daddy. Nabuntis ulit ako. Tapos yung first cut ng hair ni Sophia nilagay ko sa plastic. Diba, memories? Ilagay ko sana sa ano to, ipalaminate ko ba? Yung ano niya sa puso, tapos yung sa hair, first cut ng hair ni Sophia. Diba? Tapos yung pregnancy test ko kay Sophia. Ay nako, ngayon guys, gustong bumuo, Diyos ko, hindi. Ilang tumbling, wala talaga guys. See? My pregnancy test when Sophia, and I'm pregnant for Sophia, imagine, 2017 pa to. And then this one, oh my God, it's been long time. Because I do kasi arrangement here, the inside, and then very messy. Sometimes the Sophia speak up. That's why I found out this tree of Sophia. Tapos ito yung mga ano. Tapos ito first bracelet ni Sophia guys. Ano, given by her lola. Grandma. Pinagawa talaga to niya, silver. Ngayon hindi na masuot ni Sophia kasi maliit na. Kaya ang dami taga memories guys. Lahat-lahat na lang. O ito din oh. Mga ano to eh. Pure silver to dito eh. Ito din oh. Ang dami guys. Kaya ina-arrange ko kasi siya. Para at least. Nakita ko yung ano ni Sophia. Yung mga grades niya before. Sa LKG niya. Top 5 si Sophia sa class always. Ngayon meron LKG, lower kindergarten, tapos ngayon UKG siya. Sa nursery hindi ko makita kasi. Sa UKG naman niya is 5 din siya. Dito din mga ano ni grades si Sophia. Kaya ang ginawa ko, bumili ako ng isang file ni Sophia, guys. Ito yung ano niya, February 6, 2022. First ano. Ano to si Sophia? Yung playgroup. Dito, nag-start siya ng playgroup is 2.5. Kasi dito sa Nepal, guys, kailangan 3 or 2.5. Pasok muna sa school ang mga bata. Ito ang ano niya dito. Ito ang ano ni Sophia. Kaya, ang gagawin ko dito, bumili ako ng folder. Tapos lahat ng mga achievement niya, grades niya, whatever, ilalagay ko dito. Ilagay ko dito sa ano. Tapos itong mga card niya, ginawa niya. Yung mga sulat-sulat, may picture talaga yung daddy niya. Ilagay ko din dito para memories. Happy Mother's Day naman to guys. Tingnan nyo, nag-draw siya. Para may memories kami, para at least paglaki ni Sophia. Tingnan nyo guys, yung padala ng sister ko, galing sa Pinas pa to. Kinikip niya, siya mismo ang nag-keep. I love you so much Sophia. Kinikip daw niya. Ayaw niya talagang itapon. Kaya maano din si Sophia eh. Nag-arrange kasi ako guys kasi ang daming Diyos ko, mga alphabet pa ni Sophia. Tapos yung mga passport namin, Diyos ko, buti pang passport guys, kailan kaya ito magamit kapag may expire na lang siguro guys, hindi pa rin magagamit, hindi pa rin kami manifested, makauwi kami soon. Mag-pray na lang guys, just be happy na lang, diba? Sige guys, mag-continue muna ako ng aking cleaning. Thank you so much. I love you all. Be kind. Love much. Thank you all. Bye-bye. Look. Surprise. How's that? How's that?
Daddy!
See this girl, long time asking Chiki before she has win small. Now,
It's not Chiki.
now unboxing. What's that, Sophia? What's that? Oh my God! Oh my God, baby, show me the piece. Show the piece of Sophia. Oh my God! Who's that, baby?
Siki.
Oh my God! Now finally.
Hello? What?
Oh my God! Careful when she's small guys, she has already. Now she's too much crying for this Chiki cactus.
Hello?
Oh, you press. Oh.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello, Siki.
Hello?
What's a spin?
There's a press that one you must know.
Hello?
Talk.
Hello? Where?
Oh, sing. She guys is smiling, very big smiling this girl, oh. This girl, see too much happy. Where's Daddy? Thank you.
Daddy, thank you.
Kiss, hug and kiss. Are you happy? Are you happy?
I don't want to see baby dancing in the bikini. Do you know?
Note it.
Just tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. Crazy, all I got to do is just make me the opposite.
Very happy the girl.
Don't damage this time, huh?
Very happy, oh. Very happy. Too much happy the girl. Gawa tayo ng duyan sa batang maliit. Like this, you can sit down on it, okay?
No, I want big one.
Why big one? You want only to sit down.
I want big one.
How come big one? Because when you sit down, it will become Okay, finally. Nakalaro ng bata. Ay, nako. Hindi ba? Nakalaro na si Sophia, oh. She won't like that, oh. I make it already, no. She want to play like that. Just asking me, we'll go outside, we will go in the park. But, no need park. That's why the mother
I
make
want
it this
slide.
one. I'm done for her
Mama, I want
happiness.
slide.
Thank you for watching. I love you all. Be kind. Sweetie, dance. Hatir ka sela, dali, 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 dali. Dali, 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 dali. Mati, hat, up. Up your hands and... Oy! Sit down. I said sit down. Sit down, daddy. Sit down, sweetie. Sweetie. Sweetie.